Hello sweathearts, welcome to the tutorial for Hamau na Kanaka. This is a beautiful Hawaiian song. I have family from Maui and Hawaii, and this is very special to me. This is also a take on a Christmas song, Hark the Herald Angels Sing. It's a really, really beautiful song, and I want to share this with you. So, we're going to get started. Now, the thing about hula, and usually this is more for women, the men are usually much stronger when they dance, but I love the beauty of the women that dance. But what's really amazing about it is that it's super difficult and super hard to do, but they make it look so fluid and easy. It's kind of like ballet, except they're usually always in a squat here. So pretty much this whole song, we're going to keep a little bend here. It's basically like a wall sit, but with dancing. So super strong legs, you're going to feel this. It's a very slow song, but you're definitely going to feel it in the legs. Now, salsa, or usually we step with the hip back away from us. As we step, that hip goes. In hula, as we step, the hip's going to go first with the foot. Ta, ta. And remember, we're going to take it nice and low. We're going to go side, 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 side. We're going to start with 4, both ways 4 times, and then we're going to take 2 steps around the corner. So, we're going to show the legs first. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, nice and low. Lead with that hip, hip. Now 2 times around. We go 1, 2, 3, back, 5, side, 7, 8. Great, now we're going to add some arms. So we're going to have the hands and fists on the hips. And as we go to the right, we're going to bring the right arm up. Really delicate hand. It's just going to come across the body. And as it gets to the end, it's just going to gently drip off. We switch. Fist, hip, across, and down. I'll show it the 4 first, going to the right. We go. Nice and low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4. Cut in half around the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, next, we're going to take that same step, that double step, but we're going to take it up to the mirror. We're going to start with the right. Remember, nice and low, leading with the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is going to repeat 2 times. Now the hands, we're going to gather the hands up to the kiss. We're going to kiss and blow it away. So just up, mwah, and out. Then we're going to bring the hands back to the body and lower them down by our sides. Let's show that 1 time, and we'll face the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that repeats. Let's see all that section facing the front. In the beginning, we have the fists on the hips. We're going to start this. You're going to see this throughout the whole dance. Just a little circle. Now you can take this as low as you like, keeping those knees together. I'm going to keep it right here to protect his knees. You might want to do the same. But we're going to take the hips around a nice little circle. These knees are going to be touching as much as they can, facing the front. We start here for 8. Then we start to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half time around the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the mirror. We gather up. We kiss out. We bring back right and down left. Again, gather upright. Kiss left front. Gather in right and down left. Fists on the hips. And here's our break one more time. So this next step is called toe in the water. My little niece is 4 years old. She just started hula lessons. This is the first thing they taught her, which is just to tap the toe in the water. We're going to do a little bit more advanced section of that, but it's just tap front, tap side, tap front, tap side, tap front, tap side, in, 4 counts and turn. So we're going to start going to the right. Arm is up, and the right hand is out. So the hand that's going with the toe is the same. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the arms come offset. As we turn, we're going to bring the hands right here in front of us like they're resting on a table. Both sides we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 4 times. Let's see that face in the front. We did our bridge here. Ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Again. Right side. 1. Ta, 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 and pa. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, hips, 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 hips. It again repeats 4, 4, 4, 4. Half counts around for 2. Hips. One more time. One side each. Turn. Left side. Turn. And we finish with a hula kiss from me to you. Let's dance.